This week, we are seeing back-to-back reports following some key inflation gauges, and those reports show an inflation increase. Many economists say U.S. businesses are struggling to pay new tariffs, but President Trump is not backing down. Here's Amy Kiley with more.
This is exactly the sort of effect economists have been watching for from the tariffs.
President Donald Trump is doubling down on tariffs as American consumers face higher prices. He says he'll likely impose pharmaceutical duties at the end of the month and eventually could hike them to 200%. Trump also says he'll impose a 19% tariff on Indonesian goods soon.
I think it's a good deal for both parties, but we will have full access into Indonesia.
Meanwhile, the new Consumer Price Index report shows an increase in the inflation rate. It's up 0.3% between May and June and 2.7% year over year. Whether or not that's a lot depends on whom you ask.
If you look at inflation and if you look at pricing, it's gone up very little.
Maybe that seems like nothing to him because he's not going to the grocery store. But for people who are working hard, they are seeing the effects of this.
Most mainstream economists say tariffs are inflationary, though Trump disagrees. American businesses pay them on imports. Economists say switching to domestic producers could cost them time and money.
Most of these retailers have very small margins, so I think eventually the prices do come to the consumers.
A number of economists say if the U.S. keeps raising tariffs,
we could get inflation going over 3%, maybe as high as 4%.
I'm Amy Kiley reporting.